Multimeter instruction. When we're going to prepare the multimeter, we suggest to use a digital multimeter. A multimeter, we have two probes. One is black, which one is the calm position. Another one is the right one. The right one usually we use this function is more. When we're going to test the current, we remove the right one to this position. Okay, the first one is for AC voltage detection. When we test the AC voltage, we can use this, and to put the two probes at two positions from the voltage detection position. The second one is when we test the DC voltage. The voltage usually should be below 36 degrees voltage, 36 volt, for example 5, 12, 24. This for AC and DC, the small voltage detection we use not so much. A third one we use, and the fourth one we use a lot. We use usually for the resistance test. Now shows OL means it's overload. That means it's broken. If we test a wire or cable or a heater, we test the resistance. If it shows OL, means it's broken. It's no connection. If it's connected directly, it shows zero. There means there's no resistance. It means shortage. Also, we can select switch to the continuity test. When we test the cable is continue or not, is broken or not, we can use it to test from both sides of the cables. We connect one cable on another side, one cable on this side. We can check the connected. When they connected, we can hear the sound. Now we can test the screwdriver as a cable or resistors. Test from one side to another side, and we can see it's now it shows the resistance is continued. That means the connection is no problem.